Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something different. We're not just talking about how to use AI to create videos, we're studying the absolute best Vidu AI creations out there and trying to recreate them ourselves. That means breaking down what makes these clips go viral, figuring out the secret behind the most cinematic ones, and yes, using the same templates and prompts to get results that hit just as hard. Because let's face it, Vidu is full of stunning content right now. You scroll through the feed and see flying landmarks, underwater shark scenes, animated characters, podcast hosts, wolves in forests, and even Minecraft-style short films. Some of these are hitting tens of thousands of views. But why? What are they doing differently? So we're going to reverse engineer it. Let's start with the City Landmarks Fly tutorial. You've probably seen this one. Famous buildings like the Brandenburg Gate launching like rockets. It looks wild, but it's actually made using just one clever prompt combined with the right camera movement. The structure is simple. One static image with a descriptive prompt like historic landmark launching into space, fire, and smoke effects, cinematic angle, blue sky, morning lighting, then add zoom out motion and a subtle shake. And suddenly it looks like a big budget FX shot. We recreated it using the same approach. Took a shot of the Eiffel Tower, used similar phrasing, added the same upward motion, and yeah, it worked. Didn't go viral like the original, but the quality, spot on. That's the power of understanding the prompt logic. Now check out this one, the underwater shark scene from the Cinematic Prompt Tips tutorial. You'd think this required insane 3D rendering, right? Nope, it's all prompt-based. The key here was how they layered the description. Giant prehistoric shark, swimming close to camera, murky ocean water, sunlight rays, dramatic angle. What makes it pop is the lighting and depth, and Vidu nails that when the prompt is detailed and specific. We tweaked it to create our own version, used giant fantasy sea serpent, changed the color mood to greenish blue, and swapped in a side angle pan. The result? Cinematic as hell. This is how you use inspiration to level up your own prompts instead of starting from scratch. Another standout we tested was the image to video of the native woman walking with two wolves. That one feels like it's part of a Netflix series trailer. And the reason it works? Consistency. The background, lighting, wardrobe, and pout and pose all match the tone of the motion. The prompt was probably something like female warrior walking through forest with wolves, slow motion, cinematic lens flare, epic background music vibe. And with Vidu's Q1 model, the animation is buttery smooth. We recreated a medieval version, swapped the outfit, changed the wolves to armored war dogs, and gave it a Twilight Forest vibe. Again, quality was insane. The takeaway here is, the better your base image, the better your video. Now let's talk about something totally different, the Vidu Craft Minecraft Challenge. This one blew up because it leaned into a huge community, gamers. They used the voxel-style look to build scenes with Minecraft characters doing emotional or funny things. The winning entries weren't just random builds, they told tiny stories in under 5 seconds. One was a rescue mission, another was a wedding. One even had a dramatic betrayal on a pixel battlefield. We picked one of the winners, a wolf and human, walking through the village and tried to spin on it. We used Vidu's template plus a simple prompt like blocky-style hero, walking with wolf companion, sunrise lighting, camera follows from behind. That was enough. No extra editing, just smart input. But here's the big pattern we noticed across all top videos. They all use motion with purpose. Whether it's a zoom in, push out orbit, or subtle sway, every shot feels alive, and you don't need to overdo it. Some of the best ones used just a slow cinematic pan with great lighting. So when you're choosing a Vidu template, think about story first. Movement should support the emotion or action. Let's not forget audio. A lot of viral ones also had AI-generated sound effects, footsteps, water drips, robotic hums, even crowd reactions. It adds texture. So when you're building your own, don't skip the sound layer. Vidu lets you time effects precisely using text commands, and when you get that timing right, it feels like real cinema. We also tried a few of the trending templates like Animated Me and Claw Me. These are pre-designed to look viral, and you just drop in your character and go. They're great for quick memes or intro scenes, and super useful if you're not trying to build a full concept from scratch. Now, a quick pro tip. The first and last frame mode is killer for building narrative tension. You set how the scene starts and ends, and Vidu fills the rest. It's perfect for before and after reveals, transformation videos, or even simple reaction clips. So, what's the final takeaway? Don't just click random buttons hoping for a viral result. Study what works. Look at the most liked and shared videos on Vidu. Check the motion type. Break down the color tone. Guess the prompt. Then rebuild your own version with a twist. That's how you train your creativity, and that's how you hit higher quality outputs consistently. All the examples we showed today were made using just image uploads and a bit of prompt writing. No editing software, no VFX team, just smart use of Vidu's tools, templates, and motion settings. So if you want to start creating cinematic AI content that people actually share, head to Vidu, pick a few of your favorite top performing videos, and start remixing. Hit the link in the description to grab some free credits using our code and explore all the trending templates, tutorials, and short films. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more prompt breakdowns, AI experiments, and viral format recreations coming every week. Catch you in the next one.